Hi everybody, Bishop.
And David here for another Merca moment.
We'd like to show you flying wish paper. We've had this one out there before, years ago, and we've been carrying it for a long time. This has been a fantastic item that people have used in many different occasions. Some of them being the wedding party.
Celebrations, full moon ceremonies.
Releasing things from yourself that you want to give off during a full moon, or something you want to manifest and bring in. Any number of ways of using it is a fantastic way of doing it. Flying wish paper is just one of those things that you take. There are 5 hard cards, and then there are, I believe, 15 sheets of paper. It comes with a pencil, and then what you do is you write down all the things you want to achieve, let go, bring in, manifest, well wishes for other people. Okay, just like so. You take yours, crumple it up, nice to a ball, not too hard, just enough to make it ruffle. Then you flatten it back out. And you want to roll it into a cone, into a circle. What I usually do is just roll it around my finger. Okay. Just get used to that shape. And then on here, you can see there is a circle, and that's where you want to place it. Right there. Exactly is great. And then we're going to light it with those
Matches. So there is fire, so adult supervision is recommended.
And a great place to do this would be outdoors. You don't want a lot of wind though, but outdoors is a great place to do this. Mine just does not want to.
Can I help you? I'm pretty good at rolling.
Wow. So, anyways, why don't you go ahead and light that one, and I'll get this one.
Next, and you're going to see. We're going together. We have time, right? Nobody's going anywhere. Here, let me help.
He's going to help me because clearly I'm not very good at rolling.
You must become one with the paper. And as you're doing this, you want to remember to set intention. It's what's from here. There's no magic here. It's coming from the heart. Yeah. So you're putting your prayer or whatever that you wished for.
Perfect. Look at that. See?
How's that?
Amazing.
Right. So then you take your match and you touch the top of them. The wish is being sent up to Creator, and it should fly any minute now. 1, 2, 3.
And up they go.
Up they go. Thank you.
Merca Soul, building community one Merca byte at a time.
Thanks, everybody.